Good evening everyone. Today's date is 29 July 2021. Today's video topic is linked list in Java. My name is Rajkumar Raghunath Bosle. Let's see today's video topic. What is meant by linked list? Link an array like an array list in Java. Linked list is a class in Java. Is also famous data structure. But Java linked list does not store the elements in continuous location like array list. In Java linked list, each element linked with each other using pointers. In the linked list class in Java, and also discuss some example using linked list in Java. Let's see what is the Java linked list class. The linked list class is in Java is a part of Java collection framework which implements the list interface, the queue interface, and extends the abstract list class. It also implements the colonial and serializable interface. Java linked list is a part of the collection framework that can store only a number of elements or objects like array list class. Like linked list also has dynamic size. It means its size automatically grows or shrinks when the object is added or removed. The Java linked list class uses the linked list data structure by use of linear data structure elements linked with the other elements instead of continuous location. In linked list, each object has data part and address part. The data part contains the data of the object, and the address part store the address of the other elements. The elements of linked list is known as node. Due to the linked list data structure, the insertion of the insertion or deletion of the elements is easy. We will discuss it later. But there is also disadvantage, like the elements cannot access directly or randomly. Instead, we need to start from a head and move forward until we reach a node that we want to access. There are two types of linked list data. Linked list structure is a singly linked list. In singly linked list, elements has two parts. It is data part and pointer to the location. Data part and pointer to the location of the next element is known as singly linked list Java. Next type is a doubly linked list. A doubly linked list has three parts: are the previous node, that are the previous node link, data part, and next node link. It's a doubly linked list implementation in Java. Let's see some important points about the Java linked list. Like an array list, a linked list can contain duplicate elements because each element should store as a separate node, and there can be multiple nodes with the same data. And second, the linked list maintains the order of insertion. Means we can each and every element store the address of the next element. And next is the head is the first element of the linked list, and the last element is known as tail. And the head object does not have a previous address, or a tail object does not have next object address. Linked list can contain any number of null values. Linked list class is non-synchronized class. Linked list only deconstruct the empty list without any initial capacity. It means it doesn't provide the default capacity. Linked list can't be used for primitive types like integer or character. Linked list does not allow to randomly access the list because it doesn't implement the random access interface. Unless linked list is a faster manipulation because no shifting need to occur. Let's see how to create a linked list in Java. To create a linked list, we have two constructors. One is default constructor and other is a parameterized constructor. The linked list class supports the generic concept. So we provide the data type and the data type of object we want to store. Here we have two constructor create linked list in Java. First is the linked list without parameters, and second is linked list with collection C. What is a linked list? It is a default constructor and linked list class. It is used to create an empty linked list. It does not provide the initial capacity to linked list. A linked list doesn't have default capacity because it doesn't make sense to create empty linked list. A linked list makes its links when you add all element. Second is a linked list with parameter collection. See, in Java, linked list class has a parameterized constructor that is used to create linked list containing the elements in specified collection. The linked list maintains the order of link elements that comes from the specified collection. Thank you. That is all about linked list.